We would like to give a special thanks to Mattel for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie and Crayola. That's right, Barbie and Crayola have teamed up to create some new stuff. Let's check it out. This is so cool! Dolls and arts and crafts, only the best combination ever! Here is a Barbie doll. This looks like a large box of art supplies. So cool. Has a Barbie on it. And this is the Color Magic Station. And it looks like we get to customize our own Barbie fashion. The Color and Fashion doll comes in 2 skin tones. And if you look closely, you can see that they have a slightly different fashion. That's cute. Love the hearts. On the front of the box, it says, color it, wear it, wash, and repeat. For ages 5 and up. On the back of the box, it shows a picture of the dolls in their outfits. It says that there are over 10 pieces included and that it can be used with all Crayola washable markers. Parents note, washable Crayola markers should only be used for washable fashions included. It should not be used on other fashions, the doll or the child. You have been warned. I love reading all of the fine print at the bottom. It is also important to know that you are playing with markers, so there is a possibility that they may stain other fabrics and surfaces, so make sure you play on a protected area. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, the doll comes with a handbag, baseball cap, shirt and shorts, dress, body form, and Crayola markers. The doll wears a short sleeve shirt, long skirt, tennis shoes with stripes, and a bracelet. I think it is really cool how these 2 dolls don't have the exact same accessories. The markers are different, the body forms, and the fashion. So if you get both, you get a nice size coordinated wardrobe. And honestly, I like the fashion even before we start coloring them. But we're still gonna color them. There are instructions included that say, place the fashion onto the body form, take a marker, remove the cap, and color away. I accidentally colored outside the lines. But the box does say that we can wash and repeat. So if we wash it, then we can try again. Here is some warm soapy water, and it's time to do laundry. Wait, am I being tricked into doing housework? Let's place it in the water and wash. Well, look at that! It came right out. I wish all stains did that. Tell me about it. I mean, makeup stains are the worst. Then we just rinse and dry before reusing or storing. I'm not sure if we can color the hat and purse because there were no examples on the box. But we're gonna give it a try anyway because it was included. Let's start with the purse. We'll color this here green. Probably wasn't supposed to color this. Let's just wash it right quick. There we go. All better. I'm just going to stick with the clothes. Colors are running together a little, but it is making a cool kind of tie-dye look. And I love coloring. I buy coloring books all the time. It's very relaxing. So I'm just going to take my time and have fun with this. So here is my before and after. Yeah, I didn't let this one dry all the way. The dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. I went out and found these Crayola fashion packs at Target. This is the tie-dye fashion pack, and here is the rainbow design fashion pack. This one says, reveal it, create it, rinse and repeat. It comes with a dress, shirt, vest, skirt, design tool, and body form. Warm temperatures will bring out the color. Let's use the design tool so we can just draw onto the fabric. Wow, those colors get really bright. Then we use icy cold water to erase our design. With tie-dye fashions, it says color it, spray it, wash, and repeat. It comes with a body form, shirt, skirt, dress, markers, and a spray bottle. I am using the markers to draw on the dress. I like this one because I don't have to worry about staying inside the lines. I fill the spray bottle up with water and then spray the dress. And watch the colors blend to make a pretty tie-dye effect. I'm gonna let this dry before I place it on my doll. Let's see what is inside of this Crayola art case. Wow, there is like a ton of markers that we could use with our Crayola fashion. It also has crayons and color pencils. Wow, that is a lot of pink crayons. Well, you know, Barbie does love pink. Is that one glitter? It even comes with paper. It would be fun to design a doll room with all of this. The Color Magic Station says that we can design our Crayola fashion with no mess. I like that. The instructions here are: add washable paint and stencils, spray fashion, wash, and repeat. On the back of the box, it shows all items included and some design ideas. Out of the box, it comes with 15 plus items, including a doll with the basic 5 points of articulation, wearing a yellow necklace, pink dress, and silver shoes. There are 2 more dresses, paper test dresses, 3 washable paints, stencils, tweezers, and the Color Magic Station. It has a little warning here that says, do not fill past black line. They must be talking about that black line way back there. First, we have to shake the paint, add it to the appropriate well. Once you start adding the paint, it is a little difficult to see the black line, so I think I've added too much. I'll be more careful with this one. Or I'm not. Less is more, people. Less is more. Let's cut out a test dress for our first one. Place the test dress inside. I need to turn this around. Close the top until it clicks. Then we are going to crank the handle and slide it forward. All right, here we go. All of the paint did stay inside of the Color Magic Station. And you can see that I definitely added too much blue. Open the top to remove your fashion, or test fashion in this case. It is going to need time to dry. And we have to clean it with a damp cloth between each use, so it doesn't transfer onto our next design. There are a lot of little nooks and crannies here to clean. Let's try it out on a dress. And this time, we are going to use a stencil. Close the top and paint. It looks like I still had too much paint in it, but let's see how it turned out. Just going to carefully remove the stencil. And here is my dress. Yeah, I missed a few spots, but the stencil totally worked. And it just has to dry before placing it on the doll. If I had to pick a favorite, I would choose the Color in Fashion. They look great before they are colored. It's pretty easy to color them. And I love the baseball cap, even though I couldn't color it. But isn't this an adorable t-shirt? Yeah, I like this too. But since we're using markers and water, there is a potential to make a big mess. But when my creativity is released, who knows what will happen? Oops! Hold on, Sophie. I've got a towel. But I gotta admit that it is a lot of fun to color. Let us know which item was your favorite in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some of the Crayola Barbie collection. We would like to give another special thanks to Mattel for sending us some of these toys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
No, you won't let me down.